Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you different array functions like implode and explode functions, and in this lecture you will actually learn how to use them in your programming or in the websites. The implode function is basically used to convert the array into the string, and the explode function is used to convert the string into the array. So we do the coding, and we shall understand programmatically how we can convert the array into the string and the string into the array with the help of implode and explode function. So let us create one file named as implode explode.php. We open this with the help of notepad. All right, okay, so first of all we create one array named dollar students is equals to array. Here we specify the name Ali and Mehman. We have two values inside this array. Now what we do, first of all we want to convert this array into the string. So convert array into the string. For this we shall use the implode function. So let us say there is a one variable dollar string is equals to implode. Basically the implode function accepts two arguments. One is the separator. By default we give empty, and the next argument would be the array variable, that is the dollar students. Okay, now we print this echo dollar string. We want to check whether this Ali Mehman is printed or not. So let us try localhost / array, and inside this array we have implode explode.php. Here you can see that Ali Mehman has been printed. So the this actually was the array Ali Mehman, and it has been converted into the string. Now we want to convert the string into the array. For this what we are going to do is echo break. We define one variable dollar date is equals to, let's suppose the date is 2022 and 5th month and first date. So this actually contains three values. One is a year, month and day. So we want to actually split this date in three values with the help of explode function. So what we do, dollar get date is equals to explode. The explode function actually accepts two arguments. One is a separator. Here the separator is actually this dash sign. So we give this dash sign, and then we pass the array variable, that is dollar date. Okay, now we want to check whether this returns an array or not. So we use a print underscore r function to print this array. So dollar get date. Now let us refresh this. Now you can see on 0 index 2022 year has been printed, and on one index the month, and on two index the day. So now we can actually get one by one. So we comment this now, dollar get year is equals to dollar get date of zero index. It will print year, and dollar get month is equals to dollar get date of 1. It will print month, and dollar get day is equals to dollar get date of 2. Now you can print all these values, echo, and here you can provide BR, so it should be printed on next line. Echo here you can see that the year, month and day has been printed. So this is pretty simple lecture in which we have learned to actually work with the string and the array, converting the string into the arrays and the arrays into the string. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture, and you can try this example in your own way. Thank you so much.